Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger door lights. Start by collecting a trim pry, T10 driver, new bulbs, and gloves. Disconnect the battery to prevent shorts and accidental lights. Inspect the door panel for visible screws and clips before prying. Keep small containers for fasteners and photograph panel locations for reassembly. Work slowly to avoid breaking clips and test the new bulb before fully reassembling the door. Begin by lowering the window for better access and safety. Remove screws around the armrest and inside the handle recess with a T10 driver. Slide a trim pry tool gently along the panel edge to release plastic clips without forcing them. Lift the panel upward to disengage the top edge from the window channel. Support the panel as you reach behind to unplug the speaker and switch wiring harnesses with steady pressure. Quick recommendation and tiny ad. On another note, if you like staying organized while working on cars, try leak-proof meal prep containers for easy lunches during long projects. They keep food fresh, prevent spills in your trunk, and save time between tasks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Locate the door courtesy light assembly behind the panel opening and twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket and replace it with the specified replacement bulb, matching size and type. Reinsert the socket into the housing and rotate clockwise until it seats securely. Reconnect the battery briefly to test the new light and confirm proper illumination before reattaching the door panel and screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.